An accountant job is available. The company is iStudio. Experience in invoice generation, payment follow-ups, and VAT fillings. Expertise in maintaining confidential physical and digital records. Highly skilled in working on Microsoft Excel along with the high proficiency in MS Office. Excellent written and verbal communication skills with high proficiency in English language. Ability to handle entire financial matters of the organization. Self-motivated individual with an eagerness to learn and grow. Minimum 2 years of experience in working as an accountant or a similar role. The main point in this job, UAE experience preferred but not mandatory. If you have home country experience, it will be considered. Benefits provided by the company: 2 years work visa, medical insurance coverage. Salary 3,000 to 3,500 dirham. If you meet the above mentioned criteria, kindly share your resume to the given email address. You must have to be available for immediate joining. For face-to-face interview, you should have to available in the UAE. A accountant job is available. This is senior accountant job. We are looking for an individual with 5 years of experience in the F&B industry, food and beverage in the UAE. If you are interested, please share your CV to the given email address. This is senior accountant job. You must have experience about accountant software, same like Tally and the other related to the accounting. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video you can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel. So you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the video related to the job post. Thank you. A junior accountant job is available. Job position junior accountant. Company name is Majesty, and qualifications is BCom is required. Knowledge of QuickBooks, Excel. 0 to 1 years of UAE experience. Immediate joiners are required. If you are available on visit visa or cancel visa, you can apply for this job. And the location is Dubai. I already explained to you. If you fall in the given criteria, you can submit your CV to the given email address. This is junior accountant job, and if you don't have experience, you just mention a little bit experience if you know about this softwares, especially QuickBooks and this Tally. You can apply for this job. A senior accountant job is available. The requirement is minimum 2 years of UAE senior accountant experience is required. Candidate should be available in UAE to join immediately. If you are on visit visa or cancel visa, you can apply for this post. The education required bachelor degree or higher than bachelor, and the company name is ASICO Real Estate. The location is Dubai. The mandatory skills required: IFRS, VAT, accounts, reconciliations. Knowledge of MS Excel and ERP software is must. Kindly send your CV, update resume to the given email address.